Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to add YouTube link on Instagram. It's very simple, so let's do the following steps and then after that you will definitely fix it. Alright, from here we have to tap on our profile right in the bottom and then we want to do edit profile. Now we want to add a link and if you tap on links you see that I already added one link. I want to add another external link, so I need the URL, but first give the title YouTube. Alright, when we gave the title, we want to go to our YouTube channel and I want to copy the link from my YouTube. So tap right in the top and do share and do copy link. Now go back to your Instagram, do paste here, then do done. And now if you can see, I added a link. And if I go back and refresh it, you will see two YouTube links in my story because I already added one link. So without that, it's one link. If you find this helpful, please smash a like. Thanks for watching. This was the tutorial. Ciao.